Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix error connection attempt failed with error timeout connection attempt timeout trying next address in FileZilla. So we are going to fix it. Our host name, username, password and port 21 is correct. But when we click on quick connect, see this error. So we are going to fix it. So this is error timeout, ETIMEDOUT. So ETIMEDOUT happen when a server failed to respond to FileZilla within the allowed time frame. Mostly in cases Cloudflare is blocking port 21 and dropping your FTP connection. So instead of domain name in host area in FileZilla, you can use site IP. So we are using SiteGround. Now go to SiteGround to find site IP for this domain. So we are in SiteGround. Now you see site information and then you see IP and name server and then you see site IP. So we are going to use this site IP instead of friload.com domain name. Now back to FileZilla. So you can use your IP or name server domain IP address. So now paste here. So we edit our site IP address and then click on quick connect, login, retrieving directory listing successful. Now you see. So in this way you can fix this issue in FileZilla. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.